Please be here in
Please receive 2025 third runner-up. Congratulations! Our third runner-up goes to the Maroon Titans! We are requesting our panel of board of judges, together with Mom Aida Luberes, to please be here in front. So before we'll go into award, our first placer and the champion, ato sa tihangin, pindot ato ang participants for the music club competition. Grabe. Hindi na ito mabalaan kung mag-isip na ako.
Yes, very tight, no? Ang ato ang results. Thank you so much ato mga tabulator as well.
So first, we're going to announce our first runner-up. So that means, ang nabili mo ato ang champion. So partner, congratulations! Our first runner-up for our Music Loma 2025. Congratulations! The Blue Rangers!
And of course, no other than our champion goes to the
Pegasus! Of course, we are requesting the Blue Rangers to please be here to receive the award.
We're requesting the Blue Legion performers to be here in front. Requesting once again the Blue Legion's performers to please be here in front to receive your award. All Sports Fest result for the CSC 2025.
Yes, so this time, ladies and gentlemen, we will going to announce first our overall third placer. Our third placer for this year CSC Sports Fest. And as a trophy, sport placer ni Ma'am Sige. Fourth placer. But before that, hold sa natin yung excitement because I know you are very much excited who will be our winners for this year.
Just hold your breath naman, sir. Ato sang tawagan ang special awards, no? Sa ato ang music
Laban. Start our best guitar. Congratulations from the Lavender Pegasus. Our best in guitar goes to Ms. Juliagas. The Maroon Titans.
Requesting the team coordinator to please be here on stage.
To receive the award for our second placer, we have Mr. Jason Padin, and of course the champion, Mr. Alejandro Dano.
Congratulations to my team, the Blue Legion!
Congratulations, our winner, the overall champion for this